everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 9 to the 13th of February 2026 on Monday. Sunny says Mom Faith only to learn that she no longer has the evidence she promised him. Pinda begs for his life to be spared on Tuesday. Pablo orders Pinda to erase both Sanele and Mom Faith. Sanele turns to a trusted early for help on Wednesday. Sanele's return lights a fire. Two families are war. Two families, one war. Love and loyalty collide under Pablo's roof, and Pinda is in the casualty on Thursday. Sanele pursuit for the truth finally pays off, but Pinda and Pablo sniff him out just as he gears up for a tell-all. Zama convinces Pablo to tread carefully with Pinda lest they lose their remaining loyal soldiers on Friday. In a battle between truth and the blood, the family's silence shatters and Ezurini will never be the same again. Loyalties are tested, but secrets are exposed. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.